In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Teams with Excel, whether you're using the desktop or online version. This integration can significantly enhance your team's collaboration by allowing for easier sharing and real-time collaboration. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this step by step. To begin, you'll want to open Excel. It doesn't matter if you're using the desktop application or the online version, as the process is quite similar for both. Once you have Excel open, locate and click on the Insert tab, which is conveniently located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab holds a variety of tools and features that can enhance your spreadsheets, but today we're specifically interested in an add-in that will link Excel directly to Microsoft Teams. Next, within the Insert tab, look for the option labeled Get Add-ins. Selecting this will open a new window where you can explore an array of add-ins designed to extend the functionality of Excel. In the search bar of this window, type in Microsoft Teams to locate the specific add-in we'll be working with today. Once you find the Microsoft Teams add-in, you'll want to click on it to view more details. Here, you can learn about what this add-in offers. When you're ready, go ahead and click Install. The installation process is usually quick and straightforward. Be sure to enable the add-in after installation, as this step is crucial to ensure that it functions correctly within your Excel environment. With the add-in now installed and enabled, you're ready to use it. This powerful tool allows you to share your spreadsheets directly into Microsoft Teams channels or individual chats. Simply open a spreadsheet you wish to share and look for the Teams integration option. Once you click on it, you should be able to seamlessly send your Excel document to any conversation or channel in Teams with ease. What makes this add-in particularly valuable is its ability to allow you and your colleagues to collaborate in real time. As others open the spreadsheet through Teams, they are able to view and edit in tandem with you. Whether you're adding data, analyzing charts, or updating formulas, everyone involved can see the changes happening live. This reduces the email back and forth and helps keep everyone on the same page, streamlining workflows considerably. And that's it! With just a few minutes of setup, you've successfully made Excel and Microsoft Teams a powerhouse combination for collaboration. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to try it out and see how it impacts your productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, and be sure to let us know in the comments below how this feature is working for you and your team.